Y'all remember my red van I did a while back? Well, I'm hearing some brake noise. I'm getting ready to go check my brakes. Remember that video I did? I showed y'all, I told y'all how to ever prevent from having to buy brake pads again. I went to AutoZone, got some lifetime pads. We're gonna see if they still covered, man. Let's get it. Yeah, so I got my wheels off, yes, and I do in fact need front brakes now, guys. Now remember the lifetime warranty pads that I got from AutoZone. Like I say, we're gonna go up there. We're gonna go up there. Actually, I waited too long. We're gonna go up there and see if in fact AutoZone honor their warranty. If not, I'm gonna put their ass on blast because I paid for lifetime warranty pads, and he told me it includes wear. We all know brake pads are designed to wear out, okay, but they say it's covered even as for wear. All right, guys, so I got the brake pads off. Let's head to AutoZone and see what they say. Now, guys, I lost the original box and the receipt, so hopefully my information is still on file. We're here at AutoZone. Y'all saw that last short video. I'm about to attempt to get me some new brake pads. All right. I want to make a long video, right? I'm not time to short video. Hi. Can you pull up my history? I bought these about I don't know, 6 months ago. Said a lifetime warranty. So.
Your first time replacing them?
Yeah.
They, I think they say after the second time. What's the phone number?
Yes, so reason wait, lifetime after the second time? Then it's not really a lifetime.
How does that break warranty work? They have to bring it back after the second time?
What?
You know when they're trying to...
I'm telling him, look, I can't buy it.
For your Chrysler?
Yeah, my Caravan.
That's the number he needed there, 17.
Trying to figure that out. Chrysler, the Town and Country?
Town and Country.
I gotta figure what's brakes in.
I wonder if that's fine over there.
That's
He done bought a DE and he done bought a DG, so either one he'll get his money back. I think he supposed to get his money back for the
13.
27.
Alright, $26.99.
He's supposed to get his money back for the one he buying right now.
Alright, put it in that pad.
Do you want money back or you want some more?
No, I thought there was a warranty. I want to get some more pads.
Yeah, he just wants some more.
You need the front or the rear?
Front.
What is that?
That's the front.
That's the one he want?
This is the front. 1326.
I'm talking about that. He done bought it one
Yeah,
time.
he bought it in 2020.
Yeah. So yeah, he just get more pads and put them in the box.
That box is kind of thin. You sure that's right? I think those are real.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are rear.
Yeah.
You need the front, right?
Yeah. Alrighty, guys. I'm impressed. AutoZone coming through for me. It's not technically official yet, so just hold tight. We about to find out. These for the rear. I don't know if I got the rear or not, but these come off the front. So I need these. I need to get a rotor, but I'm going to resurface that rotor. I'm going to do a mic check on them and see if they within specs. If they are, I'm just going to resurface them. Y'all know how mechanics do their own car. They don't do nothing right. I've been known to pass slap my own car. I would never do a customer car like that, guys. So just so you know, very reckless with my own car. Can't you tell? What mechanic, let their brake pads get this low? You know what? What's crazy? It's the wear indicator actually started doing its job. It's making noise. Yeah, it was scratching up against the rotor. It don't matter. It's time. Look at that, start cracking. There she goes. She looking. Yeah, it's no better.
But you had the... I was letting you match it up. I think you
That's it.
You got the elite ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the elite ones. I want the elite ones. What's elite about it? I want the number one. Elite sound like it's better for some reason. Yeah, I got the elites. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. So you put my old pads in this box?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you.
Sign it and hit the green button. And there you go. Foxy.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. I'm happy. A happy camper. I didn't think it was gonna go that smoothly. Alright, let me get out of here. So once again, guys, AutoZone is the company of their word. Alright. Maybe the CEO of AutoZone will hear me making this discussion, and I may get a letter in the mail or email or something thanking me. Right? Again, but where's the profit in that, right? Man, we talk about that all the time. Brake pads are designed to wear. It's a wearable component. How you gonna offer somebody a lifetime warranty brake on something that's designed to wear? And you think they ain't gonna come back? Did you really think I wasn't gonna come back? Now, I can get it that you gambled on me losing the receipt. Yeah, because I lost that damn thing as soon as you gave it to me. So now, but they keeping your information on the computer. So I don't understand. I don't understand where's the profitability in this. It just literally gave me $50. I spent $50 one time and I replaced it twice. So let me shut up. JT, mind your business. This company know what they're doing. Guys, I'm out of here. All right, let me go do my brakes. Appreciate you, AutoZone. Thank you. Thank you. I'm out. Alrighty, guys. Look at that guy here. Yes, y'all saw those videos. It's time to get my brakes done, all right? Yes, AutoZone came through for you, boy. They definitely honor their lifetime warranty brake pads, all right? So technically, I paid $0 for these, all right? My days of paying for brake pads for this vehicle I only apply to this vehicle because they got me in the computer until they magically lose their computer memory like Advanced Auto did on my radiator. All of a sudden, my information is not in the computer no more. I went to warranty a radiator. They said, there's nothing in here. Lying sack of craps. Look, I even got grease. I even got, guys, the reason I got it in the bag is because she needed the box to put my old brake pads in. And that's a good thing because I don't know what an old box was, but I don't need all that. Where's my hardware? I think I had some hardware kit in here as well. All right, I got work to do, guys. No sense in me filming brake jobs. I'm gonna mic this rotor and go resurface it. All right, this is my personal car. I'm not spending a lot of money on my personal car. I do, however, want to be safe, so keep that in mind. Safety is my #1 concern. Okay, I can put up with a little squeaky noise. All right, yeah, it's customer cars that I do perfect. My own stuff, whatever. All right, guys, I got work to do. Man, I appreciate y'all watching the videos. Thanks for tuning in.